O tanungin natin ang mga guests natin, ano yung pinaka-tumatak sa inyo sa mga nabasa natin? Ang daming mga
Klarong-klaro, no? Namamayagpag pa rin mga political dynasties. In some places, magkakapatid, magpipinsa, nag-aaway-aaway.
Oo nga, ang daming gano'n, no?
And not just in the provinces. Here in Metro Manila, when you look at Las Piñas, it's one big family competing with one another.
Pero Prof, against that backdrop, maglulutang yung mga dating political dynasty na ngayon tagilid.
Pero konti lang ang mga kaso.
Yes,
Like for example, yung sa Cebu.
Yes,
that's an established political dynasty. No? Although it's not yet over, but the gap is huge. No? Para sa akin, unexpected.
Anong nangyari doon, no? I mean,
it could be local politics. No? Siyempre, malaking bagay yung nasuspend si Governor Gwen, yung uncertainty noon. Malaking bagay rin yung, siguro, yung response doon sa yung governance nila. May mga issues rin na local. Hindi ako masyado naniniwala na ang impluensya galing sa labas sa Cebu. Cebu is a modern, a modern province. Cebu City is a modern city. And, malaki na yung middle class doon. So, they're also discerning and they're basically rejecting the established dynasty. And that's one of those big stories, no?
Yung Batangas naman, si Ate V, nanalo, pero si Luis Manzano, pumapangalawa lang.
Yeah, pero Dodo Mandanas was the former governor.
Yes.
So that was expected. But that prevented the Fat dynasty from arising, no? Kasi can you imagine, it's not just Luis, the brother is also yung bunso is also running, no? So these dynasties continue to be an obstacle to democracy. It's parang katangian ng ating politika na hanggang ngayon hindi nagbabago. So changelessness. So when you look at elections, well, it's inspiring to have these moments in the senatorial. Meron palang elements of changelessness sa ating politika.
Malaking alas pa ba itong taga-entertainment industry ka? O parang hindi na rin masyado ngayon?
Ngayon hindi na. Nakita nyo na marami sa mga entertainers natin who thought they'll just dance their way into the Senate. Marami sa kahilangan.
Pati yung celebrity endorsement. May observations na hindi na siya ganun kabigat dun sa to affect the results.